I'ma tap into my feelings, the things that I know I haven't done, things that I know I can't say when I'm sober. Oh well, I guess I'm okay, I guess I'm getting older, living life with a love disorder. I turn a blind eye to all of those you try to hide. Fuck the other guys, you know who I'm talking about. Fuck you too, you know what I'm talking about. Living life and fucking around. Life's too short to take it as a joke. Life's too short to be picking up hopes and live the dream you want to. I guess I'll go the first and last time I ever get this close to you, to our goals, to hopes, to our goals, to love and obey till death do us part. I guess I never ever listen to you say to hopes, to our goals, to love and obey till death do us part. Cause everything you say, it's everything you say. Cause everything you say, it's everything you say. It's everything you say.
Fuck everything you said, my words are raw like in my dames. Throwing pussy feelings out the door. Y'all know who called, y'all know I came just for you to entertain. Bitch, it don't matter who it is you claim or what's his name. Just know the name is ESPA. Shut the fuck up, it's what is up like uppercut. These little shorties don't know how to duck, so when I buck they know what's up. I do not snuck and throw cheat shot, I throw them up, you with that peace sign. You talk that shit easy on live, but on the mic you do not cross. You know you lost when you can't return the flame. I'm going in circles and back, is how you play this game. You say that you know how to blaze, roll one smoke up however way. Fool, quit reminiscing so much and just pass it along the way. You hung up pictures in the frames, it's all that will remain. Along with echoes of your name reminding me to change. Every day that I wake up I try to fight to stay sane, knowing that you are gone out of my life, my everyday. Out of sight but never out of mind. Was it a mistake? It's past our prime. I have done so many recordings